Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!